Well, you're a homesteader, you should be able to do your own roof. It'll be fun, they said. Well, they're not wrong. I've done a lot of roofs in my life, but not since I've become disabled. When the roof on the old farmhouse entirely failed during a storm and insurance refused to pay for it, so that'd be a wonderful opportunity to teach the boys how to do a roof. Boys have been working their butts off all week, but learning and doing takes time. And now today we're under threat of severe thunderstorms. The rain has already started. You can hear the thunder. And we just finished up tarping up the roof. Don't know if it's going to be good enough. About $200 in heavy duty tarps. A whole lot of rope. A whole lot of cinder blocks we already had. We got it roped off all down the sides. Funny thing is, we just finished this up and Grandma came out and looked at it. She said I'm making her house look like a circus tent. If I'm going to do that, I need to get her an elephant to ride. You know, as stressful and as anxious, stressed out and anxious as I've been over all of this, especially with this storm coming, that little Grandma Jim, that little funny that she decided to tell, kind of made my day. But yeah, storms are coming, and we'll check back in and see if this even survives. Here we go. I don't really want to watch, but I don't want to not watch. See if those tarps handle this storm. And that wind's crazy. Wow. Oh man. It's holding. This side's holding. This side's holding. All right. Woo. Well, that was intense, but everything held. No rips, no torn grommets. The roof's still tarped over. Everything down the sides, still holding tight. Yeah, those boys did a fine job of tarping this roof over today. Stay tuned, and before long I'll be putting up videos of their progress as they learn how to replace the roof. Oh, the tarp shot the roof, but looks like we got a little damage here behind the house. Had one of the lilac bushes snap off. Come back in here, had a little tree snap there. Had a bigger tree snap there. Over here had a tree, one tree fall in, another tree fall in. Had a tree fall on the power line. I ain't even looked in the woods yet to see how bad it is, but I'm not gonna mess with that right now.